Chase? Chase, what's he doing? Is he at the beach? Is he at the beach? Playing in the sand? Huh? Are you playing in the sand? Uh-oh, hey, hey, don't eat that sand. Where'd your water go? Did you dump it all out? There's Daddy playing in the sand. He's building a sand castle. Are you dumping that water on you? Bert and Jason want to go